Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Tesla rearview mirror. Many owners experience their interior mirror detaching from its mounting ball joint. This simple repair can be done yourself, saving time and a service visit. We will guide you through the process using just a few basic tools. Let's get your mirror securely back in place for clear rear visibility. First, you need to carefully remove the retaining ring that holds the mirror onto its ball joint. Look closely at the mirror's base where it connects to the mount. You'll see a thin, steel ring. Find the small opening or gap in this ring. Gently use your small, flathead screwdriver to pry the ring away from the teeth, allowing it to expand and slide off. Now, with the retaining ring removed, align the mirror's socket directly over the ball joint on the windshield mount. Ensure it is perfectly centered. Apply steady, firm pressure, pushing the mirror straight onto the ball. You should feel it pop into place with about 10 to 15 pounds of force. Be careful not to apply excessive force, which could damage the windshield. Once the mirror is securely popped onto the ball joint, it's time to reinstall the retaining ring. Slide the ring back over the mirror's teeth and ensure it sits snugly around the ball joint. Use your screwdriver or a blunt tool to gently push the ring fully into its recessed position. Double-check that the mirror is now firm and stable, providing a clear and steady view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.